started our tour from the Triton Fountain, which is a large fountain located on the main entrance of Valletta. It is one of the most famous landmarks in the city and a popular tourist attraction. The fountain was designed by the Maltese sculptor Vincent Apap, and it was completed in 1959. The fountain is made up of 3 bronze figures, each holding a triton, a mythological sea creature with the upper body of a human and the lower body of a fish. Valletta's fortifications are also a major draw for tourists. The city was built in the 16th century as a fortified city, and its walls and bastions are still standing today. Visitors can walk along the walls and enjoy stunning views of the city and the Mediterranean Sea. It was founded by the Knights of St. John after the Great Siege of Malta in 1565. The city was named after the Grand Master of the Knights, Jean Parissat de Valletta, who played a significant role in the defense of Malta against the Ottoman Empire. After entering from the city gate, which is the main entrance to Valletta and was rebuilt in 2014, we walked through the main street of Valletta. The main street is also called Republic Street. It is a long, pedestrianised street that runs through the center of the city, from City Gate at one end to 4th Street, Elmo at the other end. Republic Street is lined with numerous shops, cafes, restaurants, and historical buildings, making it a popular destination for tourists. Some of the most notable landmarks on Republic Street include the Grand Master's Palace, the St. John's Co-Cathedral, the National Museum of Archaeology, and the Valletta waterfront. The street is also known for its colorful balconies, which are a hallmark of traditional Maltese architecture. Many of the buildings on Republic Street have these balconies, which are often adorned with plants and flowers. Throughout the year, Republic Street is the site of various cultural events, such as the Valletta Carnival and the Malta Arts Festival. It is also a popular spot to watch parades and processions, especially during national holidays and religious festivals. It is also a great place to shop and dine. It has a wide range of shops selling everything from designer clothing to traditional Maltese crafts. There are also plenty of restaurants serving up delicious local cuisine, as well as international dishes. On the Republic Street, We made a stop on St. George's Square, which is located in the heart of Valletta. The square is surrounded by beautiful Baroque buildings, including the Grand Master's Palace and the Parliament Building. The square is a popular gathering place for locals and tourists alike and is home to several cafes and restaurants. Be sure to take a break and enjoy a coffee or a meal in one of the cafes while soaking up the atmosphere of the square. After walking through various smaller streets, we reached to the upper Baraka Gardens, and they offer stunning views of the Grand Harbour and the three cities and are the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunshine. The gardens were originally built as a place for the Knights to relax, and today they are a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Valletta is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its stunning Baroque architecture, ancient ruins, and vibrant cultural scene. The city is surrounded by fortifications and has a natural harbor, which played a crucial role in Malta's history. Overall, Valletta is a city that has something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or just soaking up the Mediterranean sun, you're sure to find something to enjoy in this beautiful city.